How to earn money on TikTok. To earn money on TikTok, you can follow these steps. Build a strong following. Create engaging and original content that resonates with your target audience. Consistency is key, so try to post regularly and interact with your followers. Use popular hashtags, collaborate with other TikTok creators, and engage with trending challenges to increase your visibility. Join the TikTok Creator Fund. The TikTok Creator Fund is a program that allows eligible creators to earn money from their videos. You need to meet certain requirements, such as being at least 18 years old, having at least 10,000 followers, and accumulating at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Live streaming. Once you have at least 1,000 followers, you can start live streaming on TikTok. Viewers can send virtual gifts to show their appreciation, and you can convert those gifts into diamonds. Diamonds can be converted into cash, although the exact conversion rate may vary. Brand partnerships and influencer marketing. As your following grows, you may attract the attention of brands looking to collaborate with influencers. Reach out to brands or consider joining influencer marketing platforms where you can connect with brands for sponsored content opportunities. Ensure that any brand partnerships align with your content and values. Selling merchandise. If you have a strong brand and loyal followers, you can consider selling merchandise related to your TikTok content. This can include t-shirts, hats, accessories, or other products that resonate with your audience. Cross-promotion. Utilize other social media platforms and your personal website to promote your TikTok account. Directing your followers to your TikTok content can help increase your following and, consequently, your earning potential. Collaborate with brands. In addition to brand partnerships, you can collaborate with brands by creating sponsored content. Brands may approach you or you can actively seek out opportunities. Be transparent with your audience by disclosing any sponsored content to maintain trust. Crowdfunding and donations. TikTok has a feature called TikTok Coins that users can purchase and donate to their favorite creators during live streams. You can encourage your audience to support you through donations, and some creators even offer exclusive content or shoutouts as a token of appreciation. Remember, building a successful presence on TikTok takes time and effort. Focus on creating quality content, engaging with your audience, and staying consistent. It's important to enjoy the process and be authentic to attract and retain followers.